AWS. There's an AWS hosted event. This is so cool. Back to a Friday. I just wrapped up my weekly analysis and it's almost Christmas. In 2 weeks, it's Christmas. Everyone's already in holiday vibes. And last week has been great for us. We've been ramping up our investor outreaches and we had multiple calls booked. We have some calls getting booked too for next week. So reply wise, it's getting a bit slow because it's all Christmas and holiday, and January everything should ramp up as usual. But January always has that dip with everyone after the holidays, feeling tired and all, and it's winter. But we're planning a trip in January to either SF, also a normal vacation trip to Miami, which is exciting. But yeah, January and February would be where it would be more productive in general. But platform wise, we did major upgrades on our corporate intelligence. Now any company can enter their site. We analyze their org chart, specific company strategy for their people, for each department, also for their own company in general, and AI strategy. So that has been exciting, and just reflecting over the past year, it's been crazy. 2025, a lot of things happened. We never even had a platform. Now we have patents, platform, apps released on the Play Store, and it's been exciting. It's been a journey, and now we've been onboarded 2 pilot clients, right? And what's missing is just like angel investment, and I'm sure that'll come. It's just a matter of time. And yesterday I was reading this amazing quote. It's called it said that to build anything big, it normally takes like 5 years. And it's all about managing your expectations. If you believe that will take 5 years and you just keep on giving it consistent action all the time, you actually get there. But then if you always look for a shortcut, 5 years time just always runs, and you'll skip your 5-year thingy, and then 5 years from now you'll still be looking for shortcuts. And so the first approach is always better. Like the long way is the shortcut. It's just accepting that it's a long way, and just like walking will actually get you there instead of like looking for a shortcut. Especially with time, it always runs. Productive day. I just wrapped up creating end of year reports for the kids I teach AI on Saturdays, and last year is coming to an end. And today there is 3 events, not typical for a Friday. There's a hackathon, and there's an AI and artist meetup where it's like a creative type of event. So first we'll head out to the creative one, and then we'll head out to the hackathon. This is so cool.
My name is Deb. Thank you all for coming out and showing out, especially on a freezing night.
It was Saturday. Today was a super productive day. I was teaching AI, and today was all about the different AI models, machine learning types, supervised, unsupervised, how AI actually learns, about companies like Scale AI, and what they do in general. It was a great session, and I also had time to actually work on a platform, add some flow. We added a lot of features, and now it made things a bit more complicated for first-time users. So now as a flow, we're organizing every feature to have like a good user flow in general. And our company analysis works well. It actually, you just have to put your company's website, and then it will get the data about your org chart. Will give you specific AI strategy specifically for your company, also recommendations on where to learn, how to learn for each and every individual employee, which is unique in general. Currently at the gym, and it is snowing outside. We are not skipping the snow days. It's a Sunday, and it just started snowing here in NYC. And today it's all about it's a chill day, a little bit of reflections, prepping out for tomorrow. I just wrapped up my gym workout. I did legs, a little bit of abs, keep my workouts like to a minimum of like 30 minutes, maximum 45. This helps me just be consistent every day because it's just easy in and out. And yeah, it's snowing. I am really wishing I was in San Francisco or Miami right now because I don't like winter. But it is what it is. It looks so nice when you see it. It's like winterland vibes. But yeah, let's head out. Currently I'm on Tribeca. I always love coming to Tribeca on Sundays. It's like my ritual now, and especially the view by the water. There's this mall called Around the World Trade Center, and it has the best views of, like, you know, the Statue of Liberty, the water, everything, Jersey in general, and it's one of the calmest places to come in on Sunday. And yeah, today we'll just wrap up a review of the slide for tomorrow. Excited about our new feature. Back to a Monday. It's such an exciting day. We just announced our new feature on GenAIx. We just entered the company side. Full AI analysis of like the company, the organization structure, courses, the SWOT analysis, and then courses will be designed specifically for each and every one of your team. And currently I'm heading to my morning team meeting for our Monday. Great Mondays always start the best week, so Mondays are the best way to jumpstart the week. Okay, got done with the meetings for today. It was a productive day, and now I'm heading out to Microsoft. There's an agentic AI event happening. It's an exciting technical event. We'll learn more about AI agents. Super excited for that. Let's head out.
Main stage a little bit, amazing. So today we have several.
What's happening this year is going to start the agentic AI kind of like revolution, if you will. And what we're doing is
Great event at Microsoft. It was a very focused, a lot of developers. So there was GitHub, actually, like people from GitHub came, people from Microsoft, and also there was a demo on Cloud Code, how to use it. So it was interesting from a developer perspective. It was not as exciting as the founder events. It gets a bit boring. The developer, when they dive deeper into some boring technicals about evaluation, that's not critical at all, but super detailed, minor things, gets annoying. But you know, it was good in general, learning a lot about, you know, Cloud Code, tips, tricks. So it was eventful in general. I just had a call with an angel investor. She exited her company and was working for a bank for 10 plus years. And she's super interested in the company in general. So that was a great conversation for this morning. And this morning I also met another founder who went to Jacobs and then also moved to New York and went to Columbia, and now she's a founder. And she's also Ethiopian, which is crazy. So, you know, it's unique meeting someone who with a similar path, and probably you'll meet up with her by the end of the week for coffee. It was a call we had today, but it's interesting what they're working on. They're working on something that is not trending right now, which is climate change, but they're doing something that is super important in general. And yeah, today there's a bunch of more calls in the afternoon with the team and with a lawyer from a big firm here in NYC who knows some investors who might help us with pre-seed. But yeah, let's head out. Great meeting the lawyer here in NYC. He's more focused with, he works with a lot with like M&A, acquisitions, a lot with founders who do, you know, normal safe rounds. Like safe is like how you basically structure the investment when you get investors. It was a great conversation. Sent him the deck. Now he might passing it out to his contacts, which is exciting. Now I'm heading out to AWS. There's an AWS hosted event. It's around Wall Street, and it's been a productive day. A lot of paperwork done. Let's head out.
Ton and AWS to have a little holiday party.
Upskill most of your performance.
Event we just wrapped up, passing through the bowl too. It's never this empty, like literally there's always lines. The first time I've seen this place empty. But yeah, it was a mix of crypto and AI, so which was like a great mix. And then it was AWS with Ton, which is they do crypto exchanges through messaging, through Telegram, which is somewhat unique. But AWS talked a lot about AI agents, which was interesting. Ending the day, today was a productive day, and this is probably the last week since next week's Christmas. You know, this week could be the last busy week with events and in general everything that's going on. So till Friday, there's a lot of meetings that was booked, and then next week will be chiller, holiday vibes until the New Year's.